Hey lover, I'm Noella and you're welcome back to my channel. You know the vibes already, period. As you guys can see from today's title that we're going to be talking about queens and kings. Yes. So you want to learn about being a queen, you want to know the tips of being a queen, I got you. You have to watch to the end. And also for my brothers that are in the house watching me right now, you want to be a king as well, because the same tips that is recommended for being a queen is the same that is also required for being a king. Make sure you watch to the end as well. Make sure you like this video already, make sure you comment down, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because it's the vibe for me. Yeah, let's just get right into this video. So I have 15 basic tips that I want to give. I just want to share to you queens. I just want to share to my sis in the house about how to be a queen. As you can see, your baby is looking like a rich $1 billion queen. You know the vibes. I just want to give you guys 15 basic tips of being a queen. Number one is that queens are independent people. Queens don't depend on nada. We don't depend on nada. We don't depend on nada. What do I mean by being independent? Queens choose for themselves. They are unapologetic about their decisions. You don't mess with a queen. You know what I mean? You don't mess with a queen. They choose for themselves. They are independent people. They don't depend on anybody. Yes. Number two is queens are organized people. They plan ahead. They don't just go with the flow. They don't just jump into situations. They don't just jump into things. They are organized people. When they start something, they make sure they get to the end of it. When they do things, it is always extraordinary. They don't do basic things. And when they want to do basic things, they make it extra. You know what I mean? That is what a queen does. So if you want to be a queen, you have to go extra mile. You have to be organized and follow all these tips that I'm giving. Number three, queens look after themselves. You can't see a queen looking tattered. Are you dumb? Queens don't look tattered. They're always looking fresh. You can see, oh God, you can see the way I look, bro. Yeah, you know what I mean. Queens look after themselves. They get their hair done, and if they like to get their nails done, they get their nails done. My nails is looking, but you know what I mean. Like, you still carry yourself with so much charisma. That is what a queen does. Number four, hygiene is important. You want to be a queen, you don't smell. Like, queens don't do that. Don't smell. Queens don't smell. Queen gets deodorant. Queen gets perfume. Queens get body spray. They smell good. They are really, really looking after their hygiene. You know, queens will go to the toilet and make sure they flush after to like, don't do that. Like, why will a queen go to the toilet and not flush the toilet? Nah, sis. Number five is queens treat themselves once in a while. If you are going to be a queen or you are a queen already, my sister, you have to learn how to treat yourself. I'm not saying you have to waste money, because as you guys can see that we are talking about investment, so queens do that as well, but we're going to come back to that. But once in a while, queens spoil themselves. All those things, those things, just make yourself feel like that bad that you are.
Period, bitch. Period. Okay?
Period. Number six is queens don't dwell on issues. Queens don't do that. Like, don't do that. Don't do that, sis. Queens don't dwell on issues for long. Like, we move on. We don't have time to sit down and start sulking or sit down and start crying over. Queens don't do that. You know, queens have emotions though, don't get me wrong. Seven is queens know how to balance work, social media, friendship, love, everything. As I said before, that queens are organized people, so they know how to balance everything, every and anything. Queens are not here and there. When they are doing this, you know that they are doing this. Number eight is queens don't make poor social media choices. Queen don't do that. Queen know who to follow back. Queen know who to follow. Queen know who to check their Instagram pages. Queen know the things that inspire them. They don't just jump into comment section and spew nonsense under somebody's post. Ew.
A dead ass, I will block you, I will report you, I will make sure that you get your account suspended. Point blank, period.
Queens don't do that. Like, don't fall our hand now. Don't fall my hand. Queens don't do that. We don't just go and start trolling. Ew. Queens don't troll people. Queens are those people that when they post, comments are going, like comments are flying up and down. The night tip is queens save money. Queens don't waste money. If you are a queen and you don't have some cash in your cash box or in your savings account, I think we need to change you need to change that your title, right? Something is wrong somewhere. Queens save money. If you haven't started saving money, okay, there's still time. You know, you can join my Nuella saving challenge that I started this year, and just join the gang because we are lit and a lot of people have started as well. So you want to be a queen, you have to start saving money. And if you want to watch video about how to save money, investment and all, I'm going to link it up in this video, so make sure you watch it immediately after this video so you can jump on the queens game. Yes, the 10th point is queens move on from exes and toxic people in their life because they are baby girls. So I'm not saying all exes are toxic. However, if there's any ex that is frustrating your life, and anytime you remember, you're like, oh my god, nah, queens don't do that. They are ex for a reason, right?
You got fucking played. You got fucking played. Look at yourself.
Once you exed them, make sure you move forward. So queens don't go back to their ex, like ex exits.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
But maybe you guys ended on a good note and you just want to be friends, okay? Okay, move on. Just be a hi, hello friends. Anything, no, we don't do that because you are a queen. The 11th point is, if you are just beautiful and you don't know God, you're not a queen. No, you're not a queen. So know God for yourself. That is my 11th point. As a queen, you have to know God. You have to know your creator, the one who has made you in his image and in his likeness. You have to know God for yourself as a queen, and so that you can spread it to others as well. Sorry for my gestures, I'm so used to doing my hand like this. Number 12, learn how to say no when you are uncomfortable. Yes, queens, they say their mind and they walk away.
Period, bitch. Period. Okay?
I'm not saying you have to be saucy, but when they say what is in their mind, politely, they say it and they walk away. Their yes is their yes and their no is their no. They are not in between. When they say whatever is in their mind and they make that decision, my dear, they are unapologetic about it, and that's on period. Number 13 is queens earn respect. They don't force it. You are a queen, my sister. Respect should be earned. You don't need to force it. Don't be that sister that is always telling their younger ones that, oh, don't you know I'm older than you, call me auntie. Nah. This is the 21st century. Sis, who still call who auntie? Like, what are you saying? What are you talking about, bro? Queens don't force their respect. They earn it. So when you do things that make people want to respect you, then yes, you are the queen. You know what I mean? Number 14 is stay appreciated always and never let your price down. Look into yourself in the mirror and say that your price
wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some.
You are a queen, sis. Stay appreciated always. Stay around people that value you. Stay around people that know your worth, and don't let your price down. You are the price, sis. Let them chase you because you are a queen. So let your price always be high. Let your head always be high. Keep your head straight because you are a queen, and don't let your crowns fall. These bars I'm dropping for you people, you guys should just subscribe because you are not ready for this year. Yes. And the last point is as a beautiful, damsel, intriguing, excellent, valued, appreciated, expensive, pricey queen that you are, you need to be prayerful. A queen that prays is the queen that is praised. If you are not a prayerful queen, then you cannot be praised because you don't even know what you are doing on earth. You don't know your purpose. When you are beautiful, you pray so you can be praised. That is it. So my kings, I'm sure you guys also can learn 1 or 2 tips from being a queen. So if you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you comment and let's interact as the queens that we are. Subscribe to my channel, please. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. I know you guys, I have faith in you. Please don't let me down. Turn on your post notification to get notified each time I post a new video. And with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny,